Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian Purl Stitch. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to start your Tunisian crochet project and how to do the simple Tunisian simple stitch, you can pause this video and follow those tutorials and come back to this one a little bit later. So with Tunisian Purl Stitch, we are going to be working this stitch into the front vertical bar of your project, similarly to Tunisian simple stitch, but we are going to be carrying the yarn at the front of your project. So what we need to do is we need to bring the yarn forward and wrap it around your hook from front, and then we are going to be working under the front vertical bar of your stitch, yarn over and pull through. Okay, we are going to do this again very slowly together. So bring the yarn towards the front of your hook, work under the next front vertical bar, yarn over and over the hook and pull through. Again, let's do this one together again, the next one. So bring the yarn to the front of the hook, insert it under the next front vertical bar, yarn over and pull through a loop. Okay, let's do the next one together. Bring the yarn to the front of your hook, insert it under the front vertical bar, yarn over and pull through. You will see that this stitch has got a little bumps of your of yarn at the front of the stitch. If you do knitting, you might be more familiar with it. So let's do the next one together. Yarn over from the front, work under the next front vertical bar, yarn over the standard way and pull through. Okay, bring the yarn to the front of your hook, work under the front vertical bar, yarn over and pull through. Again, bring the yarn to the front of your hook, work under the next front vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. And the last one on my little swatch, bring the yarn to the front of your hook, work under the next front vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we are going to work the end stitch. So what you need to do when working the end stitch, you need to rotate the fabric towards yourself. There you have 2 bars of yarn, so you work under both of these bars, work under them, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, and now we are going to be working the standard return pass, which is you will yarn over, work under one of your loops, and then yarn over and work 2 loops all the way to the back. Over, pull through 2, yarn 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 over, pull through 2, missed one there, pull through 2. Okay, and that's how you work the Tunisian Purl Stitch.